In monosaccharide derivatives known as the sugar alcohols, the carbonyl oxygen is reduced to hydroxyl group. Yes. For example, D-glyceraldehyde can be reduced to glycerol. However, this alcohol is no longer designated as D or L. Why? Now, if you are giving any CSIR exam, they will give four options after that. How we define D and L forms? We defined DLL forms as that we need to look at the orientation of OH group. The orientation of OH, if this is the carbonyl group, and this is, for example, this is the terminal carbon, right? So what is the D and L form? D and L form is defined as that we need to look for the orientation of the OH group on the chiral carbon, which is the farthest from the carbonyl group. This is the chiral carbon, which is the farthest from the carbonyl group. Then if OH is present on this side, it will be D form. And if this OH is present on this side, this will be the L form. Now, answer lies in the question only. They are saying this carbonyl group, this carbonyl oxygen is reduced to hydroxyl group. This is reduced to, we did it, right? There is a reduction. This is actually eliminated from here. Now, by definition, D is that D or L forms are that we need to look at the orientation on the carbon which is the farthest from the carbonyl group. Now, even carbonyl group is not there. The basic group on which the definition lies, that group is not there. Now, on this carbon, now there is no carbonyl group, there is the OH group. Now, by the definition, how we can just name it as D or the L alcohol? We cannot, because in the definition of D and L orientation, there is carbonyl group. If the carbonyl group is not there, we cannot designate these alcohols as D or L. Even if you have not done the derivatives, although we have done in detail, in your books, it is not in that detail. Even you have not done these in that detail, then also you can answer this question. Then also you can answer this question just by knowing the definition of D and the L form. You need to know that the definition of the D and the L forms is based upon the presence of carbonyl group in the molecule. If the carbonyl group is not there, you cannot designate that molecule as D and L, which happens when any monosaccharide is actually converted into the sugar alcohols.